Building with Papa. Okay, you see this gap between this double door? It goes all the way up and then it closes at the top. It's a simple fix. I'm going to show you how to do this. All right, you check the hinge side. You can see at the top it's wider than it is at the bottom. The bottom's much closer. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to loosen these screws, just the bottom one and the middle one. I'm not going to touch the top one. Then I'm going to take some shims. I'm going to take 2 shims because that's the way I do it. I use a single shim on the top and a doubled up shim on the bottom. I put them in there, I tap them in with a rubber mallet. They push out. Then I tighten up the screws. I cut off my shims and try to cut them off as evenly or close to the casing as possible. This drape keeps getting in my way, but there you go. And that's it. Real simple trick. A few shims and your door is sealed up nice and tight. All right. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you on the next one.